Squabble. Squabble. To argue or fight over something that is not important. The boy and girl are squabbling in the college. The boy and girl are squabbling in the college. Soak. Soak. To make something wet. Sarah is soaking her foot in the cold water. Sarah is soaking her foot in the cold water. Miserable. Miserable. Very unhappy, uncomfortable, or in a bad state. I am feeling miserable after losing my pet. I am feeling miserable after losing my pet. Blunt. Blunt. Having a thick edge or point not sharp. The pencil is blunt, nothing can be written. The pencil is blunt, nothing can be written. Blunt. Blunt. Straightforward or says what they think. They are blunt and want to tell the truth. They are blunt and want to tell the truth. Crook. Crook. A criminal or a dishonest person. The crook is running away with money's bag. The crook is running away with money's bag. Bug. Bug. To irritate or annoy someone. My friend always bugs me. My friend always bugs me. Ruin. Ruin. To damage or destroy something completely. The houses are ruined the entire city. The houses are ruined the entire city. Breach. Breach. To make a hole or gap in something. We saw a big breach in the field. We saw a big breach in the field. Attire. Attire. Dress, clothes, especially formal or special one. They wore nice attires at the party. They wore nice attires at the party. Addict. Addict. Someone who does something too much, even if it's bad for him. He is a video game addicted. He is a video game addicted. Flex. Flex. To bend or tighten a muscle. He is flexing his arms to show off his muscles. He is flexing his arms to show off his muscles. Flex. Flex. To show off. He is flexing his new luxury watch in his friend's circle. He is flexing his new luxury watch in his friend's circle. Blazing. Blazing. Extremely hot, bright, or intense. The room is blazing hot. The room is blazing hot. Apex. Apex. The highest point or the peak of something. I want to reach the apex of mountain. I want to reach the apex of mountain. Snap. Snap. To break suddenly with a sharp sound. The stick was snapped into two pieces. The stick was snapped into two pieces. Bore. Bore. To dig or drill a hole. He will bore a hole in the field. He will bore a hole in the field. Collide. Collide. To crash or bump into something or someone. Two cars collided on the road. Two cars collided on the road. Fatigued. Fatigued. Extremely tired or exhausted. The bus driver is fatigued after driving the bus. The bus driver is fatigued after driving the bus. Breach. Breach. To break or violate a rule, law, or agreement. We are breaching the government law. We are breaching the government law. Cure. Cure. To make someone healthy again. She cured her dog's leg with the medicine. She cured her dog's leg with the medicine. She cured her dog's leg with the medicine.